The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Sight and sound are good. Thank you, Richard. Thank you, Dennis. Guys, good morning. Chris, fellas, good morning. Happy Friday. Today, of course, is Core PCE, 8:30. So we're definitely, good morning, Anthony. We're definitely not doing anything prior to the news. Markets right now looks like somebody got Core PCE at 3 o'clock this morning because the markets have bid very strongly since 3 a.m. European Open. Currently, NASDAQ is up 220. ES is up 46 handles. YM is up 275. Russell up 36. Call it 737. Equities are all green. Getting a little bit of a relief bounce, I think. We shall see what we get today. In any event, guys, good morning. Today, of course, is Friday. We'll round out the month on Wednesday. For those of you that are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Some of you will be leaving us today and either with us as members on Monday, or you will have permanently moved on. Yesterday was a decent trade. For those of you that paid attention to Skype, at the end of the day, literally at the end of the day, 10 minutes to 4, I put a trade in member Skype, active member group. And that trade was only good for 100 handles in less than 10 minutes.
Following the Russian central bank rate hike of 200 basis
I'm not sure
points
anybody
earlier,
took advantage
the
of it
central
except
bank
me.
governor's press conference just on high
Nobody
inflation
replied.
pressures remain in July. They did reiterate their forward guidance of
In any event,
possibly hiking at one of the upcoming meetings.
Let's get on with it. I will also be trading the algos. I had some renewals. Speaking of algos, here is Algo 2. Ran this morning, made 150 bucks. That finished green for the week, though not really all that much. I think it finished up about 150 bucks for the week. Didn't have any draw. No, you can. You have to connect with me on Skype, Anthony, and I'll add you to the group. If you guys own the algo, I have sent everyone a link for the meeting we're doing today at 11:30. Yes, it will be recorded. So if you cannot attend,
Melina, just know that the domestic economy is
I'll make sure that you guys get the video. But I will be doing education today for the algo. Let me turn this news down. It's getting a little annoying. I will also be doing general education tomorrow morning, Saturday, the 27th, for anyone that would like to attend at 9 a.m. I've not done the link yet for the Saturday education. I will do the link as soon as I close the room today, and it will be placed in the member area. So if anyone would like to attend, especially if you're newer, I'm going to kind of cover, a bunch of stuff. I'll go over, the room, taking advantage of the room. I've covered this before, but we always get new members. Good morning, Connor. I will talk about the algos. I'll talk about the bots and basically answer general questions. If anybody has specific questions, order flow questions, whatever the case may be, spend a couple hours tomorrow morning if you'd like to attend. If you cannot make it tomorrow morning, I'm not going to bother recording it simply because 9 a.m. Eastern. I'm not going to bother recording tomorrow's education. So if you can't make it, you can't make it. But I suggest or strongly, especially if you're newer and haven't, been through this stuff before, I think it's well worth it. It allows you to ask questions. And I'll do whatever, answer whatever questions you guys may have. In any event, let's get on with it, fellas. Let's read the disclaimer, and I'll take a brief look at charts. They're all going to change anyway, so it's kind of immaterial. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There's target filled on the ES Algo. There's the 35 in NASDAQ. Now we should push to 68, I would think. I'm looking to get long, guys. Next candle. Why did you remove your target? That's not how you trade it. Connor, that's not how you do it. It doesn't matter in sim mode. You practice like you play. We don't look to hit home runs. I'm going to try a long on the NASDAQ. I tried a small long on the NASDAQ, guys, at 30. I mean, that's the same as, some fools will put 100 contracts on in sim mode just to fuck around. Why? What's the purpose?
Order submitted.
I'll take one off at 39.5. It gave me money twice, 3 times. Small buyers in here. NASDAQ's being the obstinate one right now. Well, you'd never do that in real trading. So but people do it. I see it all the time. Come on, push up through VWAP. Let's go. Don't stop being a stonehead.
Order filled.
All right, 1 is gone, holding 2. Now you're free to go. Next target up is 47, and it's right back to entry. So we'll call it 46.
Order submitted.
NASDAQ needs to get above 44, and she's good. ES went, YM went. Russell and NASDAQ are the flat ones today. so far. Needs to push here through that little pivot. Come on. Good God, the market's open. Let's go. We just double topped here. This is the that's the issue right there. 41. Sellers back in, they're small. Now gold is coming down. All right, NASDAQ, I got to close NASDAQ.
Order filled.
I'm out on the two runners. Gold is trying to come lower now. Still not really gassed on shorts, guys. Not at this point.
Order submitted.
ES Algo now in a short. Not crazy about this. It's right in the middle of levels. I'm not really crazy about this short. If it pushes down through 75, it's got a shot. Well, 75 is the target. We're way below. We're below it. Three ticks, two ticks.
Target filled.
Another target hit on the ES Algo, up 300 bucks. So through this line here, we're going to get to 57. I'm holding one. This is it on the 10-minute. This has got a break and this goes. And then I'm going to target 70, 71. Tried. Need more buyers. If you guys are long and you want to take your risk off, feel free. I want it to hold here. Didn't. Should get it. Should get that target. Come on, 84 quarter. Two ticks. Seriously? Got to push through 83, 84. We're flat ahead at 10 o'clock. All right.
Order filled.
I closed it, guys, ahead of the news. I don't want to be in trades at the news. No interest. My algos are off ahead of the news. I'll wait till after 10 o'clock news. take one.
Order filled.
Took one off, holding one. And sit with one. Let me go to break even on this.
Order submitted.
If it takes me, it takes me. If it goes, it goes.
Order submitted.
Another ES trade on the algo. ES needs to push here. ES can go back to 95. We only need 89. Seriously slow day today, guys. Anybody long NASDAQ? If we blow through this 26, 27, we're going to 140 and then 160. My kill on the ES is right here, 84. That's it. If it doesn't hold that pivot, I'm out. Come on, push, you rat bag. Let's go. Come on, NASDAQ. Get back through VWAP. Get back through 26. NASDAQ can move higher in 1 minute. 1 minute. There's a new 2-minute bar. ES just farting around.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out.
Order filled.
It's got to take out 87.75 and it'll be a good trade. Still hanging in there. Long one contract on the NASDAQ. Here we blow. Here we blow. NASDAQ said, I've had enough of this. I'm going up. Well, I mean, it's not the greatest trade on the, or the easiest. We're not getting any real directional move. Back to entry, 86 quarter. Come on, NASDAQ, give us some help. Here we go, ES. Let's go. ES needs to get through 80, call it 88, through 88. Did we just take out that little swing? We did, and it can't go anywhere. One ticked it. What a pain in the complete arse.
Order filled.
I'm out at even. Guys, missed by a damn tick. This trade has been on since Nixon was president.
Target filled.
Oh, it got it. Oh, my God. We're going up on the NASDAQ, too. We're getting help. NASDAQ's long. I missed my entry. Myopically focused on the ES. ES Algo is up 425 today. And NASDAQ hasn't taken a dang trade. Another target on the ES Algo, guys, up 575. I mean, she doesn't make a fortune. But here's the deal. It's one contract. So we could take these settings and extrapolate them out to Algo 3 if you wanted to. Kevin, it made, I forgot what it made yesterday, 687.50. I'm about done with that. I'm going to try a long down here off the bottom.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I put 3 on here off the bottom.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Took 1 off, holding 2. Yeah, holding 2. Holding 2. Trying to get 112.75. Yeah, 112.75 sounds good. And then 122. 112.75. Let's try for 110.
Order submitted.
110. I'll hit close quicker than shit through a goose.
Order filled.
I'm flat. I've traded my PAs. Come on, this thing. 2 ticks. Come on, get target, baby. Get target. 3 ticks. I don't see anything at 84 to stop this. One tick.
Target filled.
There's target filled. Boom, up 725. Nice job, Mike. Yeah, I'll have the link for education tomorrow in the member area. I'll send it to Sean when I'm done. Up 725, fellas, on the ES. The ES screaming.
More from Brazil's Treasury Secretary saying that controlled inflation and anchored expectations set the stage for.
All right, guys, as we round out the week, next week we have non-farm ISM. Yeah, we have a lot of news next week, and obviously FOMC. As we finish off our Friday, I'm going to shut the algo off on the ES. I'm done for the day here. I'm done for the day. The only algo that traded today was the ES algo, which is up 725. It was a good day for ES. Actually, this has proven to be, yesterday it was up 687.50, and Wednesday when I started with this, it was up 150. So it's proven to be pretty good. This is on an Apex account. So we'll pick it up